In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop for quick color-based selections. The Magic Wand is perfect when you need to select areas of similar color fast. Think solid backgrounds, skies, or flat graphics. To get started, select the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar or press the W key on your keyboard. If you see a different selection tool highlighted, just click and hold to reveal the Magic Wand or tap Shift+W to cycle through until you land on it. Now, click directly on the area you want to select. Photoshop looks at the color you clicked and grabs pixels that are similar, outlining them with the familiar marching ants. This works best when there's a clear contrast between the area you want and the rest of the image. If your first click grabs too much or too little, don't worry, that's where tolerance comes in. At the top bar, you'll see the tolerance setting. This controls how closely Photoshop matches the color you clicked. Lower numbers mean a stricter match, so you'll capture only very similar pixels. Higher numbers widen the range and pull in a broader set of tones. A practical approach is to start with a lower tolerance and increase gradually until the selection hugs the edges the way you want. If your selection spills into areas you don't want, step back and lower the number. If it leaves gaps, raise it a bit. Keep an eye on edges and fine details as you adjust. You can refine the selection manually without starting over. Hold Shift and click to add more areas to the selection. You'll see a small plus sign next to the cursor, confirming you're in add mode. If the Magic Wand grabbed something you didn't want, hold Alt on Windows or Option on a Mac and click to subtract those parts. The cursor shows a minus sign to indicate you're removing from the selection. Take your time, zoom in if needed, and use a few targeted clicks to clean up complex edges. Once your selection looks right, you can edit, delete, or move that part of the image. To quickly remove a background, for example, select it and press delete to clear it out on an unlocked layer. To change the selected area's look, apply adjustments like brightness, contrast, or color. To reposition content, switch to the Move tool and drag the selection to a new spot, or copy and paste it to a new layer for more control. That's the core workflow. Pick the Magic Wand, click